So we said screw it on the indoor kitchen. Christina's just gonna build the kitchen out here.
That's not true.
Oh.
I'm testing the plumbing to make sure it doesn't leak because we got this sink on Facebook Marketplace and it came with all of the plumbing that you see below. And I figured I might as well clean it at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
That side looks good.
Is that a drip over here?
Where?
Around the bottom coupler?
On this part?
No. Up higher?
Oh, here.
Keep going.
Yeah,
No.
you're right. Let's try this side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at it pouring out.
That side leaks a lot. Hello.
Jigsaw puzzle?
Yeah. I almost got it all, but I dropped a piece.
I help.
Thanks. So I put these pieces on wrong. I couldn't figure out why I had 2 extra thingies. It's because I didn't put them on in the right order. They need to go that way to attach to the sink. Oopsie.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah, okay. Now I got it right. So we bought new washers? No. Gaskets. We bought new gaskets for all of the connections.
See if it doesn't leak this time.
Hopefully not. So the editing program crashed and it saved probably about 10 times, but it didn't actually save anything. So when I attempted to open the saved files, nothing was there. Lots of cursing was involved. I tried everything I could think of to fix it. Yeah, so I'm starting over.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yay.
So I don't think today's video is going to be coming out today.
It'll be tomorrow.
Yeah.
So give this one a like, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.